So I think what attracts us to RV life is waking up somewhere different if you want to every day and having all the comforts of home. And that's also what attracts us to cruising. We love cruising, and that's where we're going. We're headed to Fort Lauderdale to cruise to Aruba, and we're taking you with us. We're going to talk all about the similarities between cruising and RV living and how they might be a little different as well. We're going to find out for ourselves, and we're going to take you guys with us. But we got a long way to go, so we got to get started and get things packed up. Let's go. So why is it cold in Florida there, buddy? What's up with the weather?
Get it, Mel. There. All right, guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. Glad to have you here. Just want to let you know, this may be a longer video, so we're going to have chapters down below so you can skip around to the parts you want to see. So if you've been paying attention to the RV niche on YouTube over the past couple of months, you've seen big channels and small channels alike heading to the open ocean on cruises, and I don't think that's a coincidence. Give us a thumbs up, like the video. If you enjoy it, please leave us a comment if you can. We greatly appreciate it. All right, let's get on with it. So the first thing that comes to mind is mobile accommodations. Both cruising and RV living, RV travel combine your transportation and your mobile and your accommodations all into one. And on a cruise boat, you've got your stateroom or your cabin, which holds your bed and your bathroom and all your clothes and belongings. And in your RV, you've got all that stuff. You either tow it or you drive it down the road. So mobile accommodations, that's the first way that cruising and RV living are similar in nature, and I think that's what attracts a lot of people to it.
So if you guys have never been on a cruise ship, maybe you're wondering what staterooms look like. So this is our stateroom on Symphony of the Seas. About the size of an RV, or it could be a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller, depending on what tree you got.
I think this is probably an average travel trailer right here.
Yeah, pretty much. So, and I think across most lines, just a standard interior room is going to look like this with your bed, TV, your towel, elephant, couch, and plenty of stuff. Plenty of like areas for all that kind of jazz and hanging wardrobes. And then they all come equipped with a luxurious standard stateroom bathroom, which is bigger than most RV bathrooms. We'll tell you that the hot water on a cruise ship is scorching because I believe it's produced by the heat from the engines, and it gets hotter than Hades.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it will peel your skin off. So we are in an interior room. But we have an interior balcony room on this ship. And what that means is we have a little balcony. It's going to get loud, but we happen to be towards the back of the ship, but giant water slides. And you can see the promenade deck down there. Everybody's kind of doing their thing. Right above us up there is the pool deck. As I said, we are in the very back of the ship on the Symphony of the Seas Aqua Theater. So this is probably the same as the ocean balcony rooms, except your balcony will be on the ocean.
Up next in the number 2 spot, it's going to be an easy one, pretty easy to figure out, but that's going to be exploring multiple destinations. That is a huge attraction for us for RV living, is you can wake up somewhere different every day if you want to. Cruise ships, really not that different, be it a port of call, your destination, or a sea day. Every time you go to bed, you'll wake up somewhere different.
Look at these trees. They look like giant bonsai trees.
But it's a fofoti.
A fofoti? Oh, is it a fofiti or a fofoti?
It's a foti.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Hey there. Hi, Precious. Oh my goodness gracious. I love you.
No, it's just a little baby. How old?
9 weeks.
Oh, so precious. Hi.
What did you...
Wow, I don't really know too much.
No. What did
Hi.
you name her?
Noah.
Noah.
Oh, so
It's
precious.
so perfect.
First time he comes out.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's it.
Oh, really? First time?
First time, yeah. He's experienced now.
Yeah, you got to do it. So the Oasis class ships have what's called Central Park on board, and it's on deck 8 on this ship, but it's absolutely beautiful. Live plants set up to be like kind of Central Park in New York. There's lots of little cafes and nooks and crannies to sit, coffee shops. It's absolutely amazing. I guess they changed these are actual live plants. They got plant walls. It's a really great place to come sit and relax, especially in the early morning or the evening.
So believe it or not, RVers, even though they're traveling mobile, they are actually very social creatures, and social interaction is very important. RV resorts and RV parks have all kinds of functions, dinners, dances, parties to let everybody get to know each other. There's full-time family rallies and other organizations that you can become a part of. It is a very social culture, RV living is, and cruising isn't any different. On board, there's so many parties and functions and things you can do on board a cruise ship that allow you to meet people that are enjoying the same experience that you are. So both RV living and cruising, very social events, and I think that's what attracts a lot of RVers to it. So just like the similarities between cruising and RVing, there's also some pretty significant differences. One is going to be your mode of travel. With the RV, you're on the open road, and that gives you the freedom to pretty much explore what you want to explore. The back roads, country roads, dirt roads, in the cities, wherever you want to go. With a cruise, you're on a giant boat in the open ocean, and that's going to restrict you to ports of call. So when the trip starts, it's pretty much planned, and you know what the itinerary is going to be. There's no taking a left at Albuquerque and going down the back roads and you know, staying in some little COE park or something like that. So that is a difference between cruising and RVing. The spontaneity kind of goes out the window once the trip starts. You can't change too much about it. You know where you're going.
Shops in here, and you're in a fortified building.
Yeah.
And it's.
If you ever need to put cannons back up here, you've got like cannon ports.
And you know, I mean, it incorporates shopping and a touristy landmark.
Yeah. So another difference between cruising and RV traveling, RV living, is going to be duration. RV living and traveling in your RV allows you to like explore areas for pretty much as long as you want to. With cruising, you're on a tight time schedule, and usually you're not in any one place more than a day, usually not more than 12 hours. So duration of time that you are able to explore a location is a big difference between cruising and RV travel.
Actually, I have a QR code. That's better for you.
I don't have internet yet.
Yeah, we don't have internet here either. So.
That's all right.
Thank you.
You're
All
welcome.
right.
See you
Getting
around.
subscribers everywhere we go.
So how is it? How is it the quality of
The
the?
audio's better. Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
See you in the next vlog.
So just like that, and like every other adventure, it's got to come to an end, but just so the next adventure can get started. Some of the things that we absolutely love about cruising is the travel, the place to place, the moving, the seeing new stuff like every day, every other day. It's just, it really gives us the thrill, and that's why we love to RV travel. All the different experiences that are at basically your fingertips while cruising, that's another thing that we really enjoy. There's also some things that we don't care too much for about cruising, and that tends to be the crowds that go along with it. Now, if you're on a smaller boat, it tends not to be that bad, and that's what we prefer. This cruise, we were on quite a large ship, and that means a whole lot of people. On sea days, the elevators are just overrun, and you might as well just plan on using the stairs, except for if you're going all the way up like 10 decks, and then you're gonna have to wait for an elevator, and you're gonna be cram-packed in there. It's not gonna persuade us to not go on another cruise, because we absolutely do love cruising. So anyway, guys, that's gonna finish this one up. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. Comments are huge. Interact with us, and go from this video and watch another video. We would really love to have you watch our stuff. So anyway, we'll see you next time, guys. Take care of each other, love each other, make every moment count.